Change. Change. You can decide. When you go home, you can decide to do a budget today. Get out a yellow pad or go free budget online, everydollar.com. You can decide today. I'm going to start managing money well. Today.
Hey Money Maestros! Today at No Money, we're unlocking the treasure trove of Dave Ramsey's low-income wisdom. Whether you're barely scraping by or navigating the debt maze, get ready to flip your financial narrative. It's time to dive into Dave's 22 proven strategies that have turned broke people into millionaires. Number 1. Gas Buddy, the unsung hero. We all know the pain of rising gas prices, but fear not, Dave's got your back. Enter Gas Buddy, the ultimate app for gas savings. This gem locates the cheapest gas stations in your area, saving you cents that quickly add up. It's like having a financial superhero in your pocket. Who doesn't love rewards? Dave sure does. Join a gas rewards program and watch your savings soar. Earn points for fuel purchases and convert them into sweet discounts. It's like getting paid to fill your tank. ExxonMobil's program, for instance, lets you pocket dollars with every pump. Number 2. Save automatically. Treat savings like a bill. Saving on a low income may feel like mission impossible, but Dave turns it into mission achievable. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable bill. Deposit a set amount and pretend it doesn't exist. You'll be amazed at how it grows, giving your finances a much-needed boost. Number 3. Declutter your subscriptions. Automation can be a double-edged sword. While it simplifies life, it can also drain your funds. Dave's advice? Axe unnecessary subscriptions. Be ruthless. Only keep what you truly use. And remember, the extra effort to renew will filter out the non-essentials. Number 4. Budget like a boss. Budgeting might sound daunting, but it's your financial superhero cape. Dave insists on a written budget. Track expenses, track income, and allocate every dollar purposefully. It's like giving yourself a raise without asking the boss.
If you do these 5 things, you will win with money 100% of the time. Number 1, you need to have a written plan, a budget. No one accidentally wins.
Money controlled, stress relieved. Dave's golden rule: know your income like the back of your hand. If you can't give an exact number every month, you're flying blind. A detailed written budget demands precision. Track, analyze, and take control of your financial destiny. If you don't know where your money's going, you're on a financial roller coaster. Write out your expenses daily. Track your spending meticulously. Dave's advice: be vigilant. Understanding your spending is the key to breaking free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle. Number 5. Bump up your deductible. Ever thought spending more could save you more? Well, it's true for insurance deductibles. Increase that deductible and watch your monthly payments drop. It's like having insurance that pays you back more when life throws a curveball.
The whole life insurance is one of the worst financial products on the market today. It's just inordinately expensive. It's really heavy loaded fees on the front end. The problem is that the rules or the guidelines that happen to what happens to the money in the savings account. On average, it's making about 1 to 1.5%.
Number 6. Shop smart for groceries. Why stick to one grocery store when there are a bunch out there? Dave urges you to shop at the cheapest one, and spoiler alert, Aldi takes the crown. And here's a bonus tip: go generic. Those brandless items are often made at the same factory, giving you quality at a lower price. In the digital age, coupons are accessible and potent. Dave gives a thumbs up to these money-saving snippets. Embrace them and watch your grocery bills shrink. It's like a game where you're the winner every time you shop. Dave Ramsey approves of the coupon game, and you should too. With easy access through phones and apps, couponing becomes a delightful habit. Save money effortlessly and let those thumbs up from Dave be your badge of frugality. Number 7. DIY FurnaceLongevity. We all dread the expense of replacing a furnace, but here's Dave's sneaky tip: regularly replace your air filters. A small annual expense can extend your furnace's life by up to 10 years. It's a trade-off that's music to your wallet's ears. Number 8. The secret of generic brand Bliss. Why splurge on branded clothes when you can get the same quality without the hefty price tag? Dave's mantra: focus on functionality. Clothes serve a purpose, and a generic brand often serves it just as well. Your wardrobe, stylish and budget-friendly. Number 9. Say no to restaurant splurges. When funds are tight, restaurant outings are a luxury you can't afford. It's a money eater. As Dave puts it, opt for home-cooked meals, savoring both the flavor and the savings. Your wallet will thank you, and your cooking skills might just level up. Eating well doesn't mean breaking the bank. Dave's suggestion, budgetbites.com. Discover budget-friendly recipes that elevate your dining experience without draining your wallet. It's a feast for both your taste buds and your savings account. Dave's not just about avoiding restaurants. He's also about mastering the kitchen. Meal planning and cooking at home not only save money, but open up a world of culinary delights. Become a kitchen maestro on a budget. Number 10. Trim the budget fat. Get rid of extras. Ever find yourself going over budget and realize you've spent on things you don't need? Dave's advice? Trim out the fat. Cut out the non-essentials, even if it means a bit of short-term discomfort. It's a small sacrifice for long-term financial freedom. Discipline is your financial ally. Recognize what you need versus what you want. Every disciplined choice frees up money for essentials. Dave's principle: necessities are the key to financial liberation. Number 11. Staycation mode on. Destination weddings? Not on a low income, but fear not, a staycation can be just as rewarding. Explore hidden gems in your local area without breaking the bank. Dave encourages enjoying life without the hefty price tag of exotic vacations. Number 12. Unleash the power of discounts. Discounts are your financial allies. Don't shy away from asking for them. Cash payments often lead to better deals, as stores save on transaction fees. Channel your inner negotiator and watch the savings roll in. Number 13. Embrace the world of used items. Selling your old stuff isn't just a cleaning up strategy, it's a cash infusion. Websites like Craigslist and the Facebook Marketplace make it a breeze. Clear your space, pad your wallet, it's a win-win. When it comes to spending, buying used is a hidden treasure. Sell your old items and explore secondhand markets for budget-friendly finds. It's a cycle of giving and receiving. Cash for you, a new home for your once-loved possessions. Number 14. Cheap accommodations. Airbnb over hotels. When travel beckons, opt for wallet-friendly options. Airbnbs and similar platforms often offer cheaper stays than traditional hotels. It's the savvy way to explore without burning through your budget. Number 15. Brew your fancy coffee at home. Love yourself a good cup of joe? Save your dollars by brewing your fancy coffee at home. Buy quality beans, experiment with flavors, and become your own barista. It's a small change with a big impact on your daily spending. Number 16. Exercise without breaking the bank. Who needs an expensive gym when nature is your playground? Walking, running, biking, they all cost you nothing. Dave, an avid runner himself, knows the value of keeping fit without draining your wallet. Invest in comfortable shoes, not pricey memberships. Number 17. Become a DIY maestro. Fix what you can, and you'll save a bundle. Dave advocates embracing a DIY mindset. Tackling home projects on your own can cut costs by a whopping 50% or more. It's a skill that pays you back with every successful project. Number 18. Make your home a money magnet. Rent out spare rooms or parking spaces temporarily. Your home could become a financial powerhouse, covering its own costs and maybe even lining your pockets. It's a win-win for your budget and your hospitality. Rent out spare rooms, maybe even your parking space, and watch as your home becomes a financial asset. Drastic measures can lead to drastic results. Dave's tip: turn your home into a money generator. Number 19. Ditch expensive activities for budget-friendly fun. Fun doesn't need to come with a hefty price tag. Dave's secret: find cheap activities. Board games, movie nights at home, or a stroll in the park. These can be the best moments without draining your wallet dry. Number 20. Energy savings, your silent money saver. Lowering your energy consumption is both eco-friendly and wallet-friendly. Dry your clothes outside, wash with cold water. Simple changes that add up to significant savings. Dave knows that lowering bills is the first step to financial empowerment. Number 21. Trim transportation costs. Find alternatives. Reducing transportation costs is a game changer. Explore alternative forms of travel, public transport, carpooling, or even biking. Every dollar saved on commuting is a dollar you can redirect towards your financial goals. Going beyond your car can be liberating. Explore alternative transportation methods and cut down on gas expenses. Whether it's public transit or carpooling, each choice is a step towards financial freedom. Number 2. Say no to debt, the golden rule. Debt is the nemesis of financial freedom. Stay away from it like it's the plague. Dave's debt snowball method is your weapon. List debt's smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. Pay the minimum on everything and attack the smallest one first.
The debt snowball. You list your debts smallest to largest. You pay minimum payments on everything but the little one. You attack the little one with a vengeance. Scorched earth lifestyle. Sell so much stuff the kids think they're next. Take 16 extra jobs. We're getting out of debt. And you pay everything. You stop all investing temporarily and completely focus all your emotional, spiritual, financial, relational energy on that smallest debt.
Channel all extra funds towards the smallest debt. It's a snowball effect that bulldozes your financial obstacles. It's a strategic plan to conquer your financial Everest. And there you have it, a wealth of Dave Ramsey's low-income hacks. Which of these strategies will you start implementing today? Let us know down in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to No Money for more financial magic. Until next time, folks, stay frugal and fabulous.